Well, let's see after a little messing around. If we can get this old girl to run. Really? That really wasn't nice. Wait, here. You come out here, you stay there. Good enough. Try not to do that anymore. Here we go. That's locked up. See what happens. It's either going to go or blow, one or the other. Wow. Up to light, down to burn. It's got about a half a tank of fuel into it. We'll see what happens in a minute or so. Yeah, that's gonna need cleaned. It's also, it's protesting. It's protesting a wee bit. Here you go, let's see what that does. Down to burn. Let's check out the auxiliary. Still. Man. It's like this. This stove is possibly upwards of 60 years old. I'm pretty sure it's older than I am. And yes, it does need a little bit of work. Let's give that a scratch with this pointed business here. Clean it up. It's just, there's so much dust in it. It's like I cannot believe it. All right, come on. Don't be doing that. You come forward, you lean back. But there you go. It could be upwards more than 60 years old. I don't know. Yeah, hi, bird. How are you? But there we go. What's it gonna do if we turn it back to just gas? There's obviously a couple of artifacts. Like you can see one right there, and this is like a little. I just think it's a product of it being dirty. Needs a little work. Here comes the people ripping down the highway. And you know, I can see there's a bend or two here. That can be straightened out. And all that. But hey, what do you know? I mean, honestly, I can't believe it. I just put some fuel in it, brought it out here, pumped it up, lit it up. Didn't do anything else. Super cool. All right, guys, take care. We're out of here. Yes, bird, I know. You want attention, I know. Crazy friggin' Chico.